All right, so this next part, I think you're gonna really need your thinking hat on. You're gonna want to avoid your distractions so you think about what we're doing. So we're showing Pascal's triangle here in numerical form. This is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, right? We're familiar with that. We could write that in combination form, meaning if I had 0 items and I chose zero items from that, there's one way to do that. In row number 1, if I had 1 item, I could choose, there's one way to choose nothing, and there's one way to choose one thing. If I had 2 items, there's one way to choose 2 items. There's one way to choose no items. There are 2 ways to choose 1 item, and there is one way to choose both items. So we're simply writing Pascal's triangle in the combination form. So we're asked, draw a triangle around 3 entries showing Pascal's property, which says that the sum of any 2 entries equals the entry below. Right? So in this case, I'll show my triangle that 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And now we're asked to draw a triangle around the corresponding 3 entries in the combination form. So that same triangle would show this, which means that 2 choose 0 plus 2 choose 1 is equal to 3 choose 1. We're asked to do that for 3 more triangles of numbers. So let's do this triangle here. So that says 3 choose 0 plus 3 choose 1 is equal to 4 choose 1. I'll choose this triangle here. The second one that says 3 choose 2 plus 3 choose 3 is equal to 4 choose 3. And then finally, the third one, choose that as my triangle, and that says that 4 choose 2 plus 4 choose 3 is equal to 5 choose 3. So can we now generalize Pascal's property for 2 entries from row n using combination notation? So our general situation is that the number on top stays the same. So n choose r is going to be the same as n choose. The number on the bottom increased by 1. So if it was r on the first case, the second term is going to be r plus 1. And then what that's equal to, the number of items we're choosing from is increased by 1. So that becomes n plus 1. And that becomes r plus 1. So we're just generalizing the combination forms using the information above. You might want to take a moment to try to clarify, make sure that what we've done makes sense. Finally, we're going to simplify the following using Pascal's theorem. So this is now, right, our simplification, the general situation. So if I have 17 items and I'm looking at how many ways I can choose 5, plus 17 items, how many ways I can choose 6, that's going to be the same as n plus 1, 18 items choosing 6 items. And if I do that on my calculator, 18 choose 6, that tells me that it's 18,564. All right, so in this particular case, I'm going to simplify this portion first. 25 choose 6 plus 25 choose 7 is the same as 26 choose 7 plus my remaining term of 26 choose 8. And that can be simplified as 27 items choosing 8 items.